Final video to fix the Ntoskrnl.exe BSOD error on Windows 11. And if your PC crashes with a blue screen out of nowhere, let me ask you, are you seeing Ntoskrnl.exe listed when Windows suddenly restarts or freezes? This probably usually happens because system files get damaged, drivers conflict, memory settings fail, or hardware communication breaks inside Windows. Sometimes updates or third-party software also trigger this blue screen. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long videos with scary commands, risky system resets, or steps that feel too hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still do not stop the crashes. But on Rexis, I focus on simple and proven solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of guessing the cause, we fix the exact system and driver link that forces Ntoskrnl.exe to crash. This works because it restores stable control between Windows core files and your hardware. The method is safe, fast, and does not delete your files once you apply it. Blue screen stop. Windows run stable, and your PC feels normal again. I tested this fix on multiple Windows 11 systems, and it worked every time. That is why Rexis shares smart and stress-free fixes. If this BSOD error is driving you crazy, and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below, and I will guide you completely.